Alright, so I've been playing around with Google AI Studio and today I'm going to show you how I am building a simple Pokemon style quiz game starting from just an image I designed in Canva. Here's the layout I made. On the left, I got a little controller sections. There is a slider to rotate the Pokemon in 3D and a couple of buttons. One make the Pokemon wave its head a bit when pressed and other make it jump. Super simple interaction just to make it feel alive. In the middle, there is a big area where the Pokemon actually appear. This is like the main display zone, and underneath I have added a space for the hint, something subtle that tell you a bit about the Pokemon, which help you guess who it is. On the right side, we have got the quiz part, 4 buttons, option A, B, C and D, where you can choose the answer. It's kind of little way who's that Pokemon challenge. Also at the top, I added 4 lines. These act like progressive maker. One will highlight depending on where you are in the quiz. So you know how far along you have gone. So with this full layout ready in Canva, I am heading over to Google AI Studio. Let's upload the image and now I am going to type in a prompt like make an interactive quiz game, show a 3D Pokemon model in the center, something like show a Pokemon and the player must guess. And these are the options. The first option will be about the name and the second option will be about the types and the third options will be the evolution stage and the fourth one is like the number in Pokédex. For now, we are just adding about 20 Pokemons, and after that, I have added a detail how I want this complete file in. So I have written this compile them into a one HTML file so we can test it now. Let's hit the enter and wait for some seconds. Now let's download this HTML file and open it. And boom, look at that. The game layout based on the image and prompt. The Pokemon appears in the center. The buttons are working. I can rotate, wave and jump the Pokemon. The quiz options are clickable and it's even give feedback if it get right or wrong. What's crazy is this took no coding at all, just an idea, a layout image and a short prompts. I could easily update the layout in Canva or tweak the prompt in AI Studio to add more level, different Pokemon or like complex questions. So yes, this is how you can start turning simple images into full interactive games using AI. If you want a part 2, let me know in the comment section and that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one.